My friend Raj is always bringing food over to our home. I wanted to make him something special that was vegan, so I came up with this butternut squash soup made with Indian spices and using Cheri's hazel cream. Adjust the spice level for your own taste and enjoy some wonderful fall flavors. This recipe has two parts: preparing the squash and then making the soup. You can bake the squash the day before if you like. To prepare the squash, use a sharp knife to split the squash in half. Scrape out the seeds with a spoon. Remove the skin with a paring knife. Cut the squash into small pieces. Coat the pieces with olive oil and salt and place on a roasting sheet. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes or until tender. To make the soup, dice an onion and saute until soft. Stir in the garlic and garam masala. Add the applesauce and baked squash. Use an immersion blender to begin breaking down the squash. Add the stock. Continue to blend. Add Cheri's hazel cream. Now blend until smooth. Simmer the soup until hot. Add salt and pepper to taste and garnish with basil. Now go enjoy a hot bowl of soup. It's creamy and rich with an Indian kick.